Let's discuss the elephant in the room. An alleged captivity and suffering of over 3 decades. A Bombay High Court order upheld by the Supreme Court. A minority community's religious sentiment at stake. A business conglomerate facing heat in a Maharashtra town. And the state government's urgent intervention. She may be India's mascot, but this elephant Madhuri is at the heart of the latest uproar in Maharashtra. The relocation of the giant animal to Gujarat's Jamnagar has triggered anger and protests within the Jain community. Hundreds of members from the community and beyond took to the streets. They demand that the elephant must be returned to the Jain mutt.
जब तक हमारा हाथी वापस नहीं मिलेगा और बाकी जो मंदिर है वहाँ उस मंदिर के हाथी के पीछे उनका पीछा ये छोड़ेंगे नहीं, तब तक बॉयकॉट रिलायंस मॉल, बॉयकॉट रिलायंस पंप, जो भी कारोबारी है रिलायंस ग्रुप की उसका बॉयकॉट करते रहेंगे.
Reliance Group owned Vantara, which is at the receiving end of the anger and facing the boycott calls, has come out with a proposal. Maharashtra Chief Minister too has offered an amicable solution. However, the protesters are refusing to budge.
और इसलिए लीगल प्रोसेस तो अपने को अब करनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन उसके साथ लोगों की भावनाएं जुड़ी हुई है और इसलिए सरकार जो है लोगों के भावना का भी सम्मान करती है.
मुझे नहीं लगता वंतारा हो या कोई भी दूसरी इंस्टीट्यूट ऐसी मांग करेगी कि किसी मठ का हाथी हमारे पास ही होना चाहिए. ये निर्णय जो है वो सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का है.
And so, we at Times Now Digital decided to talk about this elephant in the room. Why is the elephant so dear to the Jain community of Kolhapur? What are the allegations hurled by the PETA at the Jain mutt and what is the basis of those complaints? What was the Bombay High Court's ruling which was further upheld by the Supreme Court of India? Why is business tycoon Anant Ambani facing the heat? Let's understand. On July 16, dismissing a petition challenging the transfer of the elephant to Jamnagar's Vantara, the Bombay High Court gave a huge setback to the Jain mutt. On July 25, the Supreme Court of India upheld the ruling and directed that the elephant must be transferred within 2 weeks. The ruling triggered widespread anger among the members of the Jain community. Thousands of locals hit the streets, staging silent protests, urging the authorities to bring back the 36-year-old Mahadevi back to the mutt. Calls to boycott the Reliance Group reverberated among the angry protesters. Its impact? In just last 4 days, around 1.5 lakh mobile users in Maharashtra's Kolhapur, Sangli and Satara districts have reportedly ported their numbers from Reliance Group Telecom Company to other networks. It all started with a complaint filed by animal rights organization PETA in 2023. The detailed complaint was filed before a high-powered committee which was formed by the state's Ministry of Environment and Forests. PETA alleged that the elephant was controlled with a weapon in the mutt and was used for begging. As per PETA, the elephant was being used commercially. Fact is, Madhuri was sent for religious processions including Muharram. The group also flagged the serious physical injuries and psychological trauma suffered by the elephant. In 2017, Madhuri killed the chief priest in an angry rampage. Remember, the elephant was owned by the mutt since 1992. After the high-powered committee began an inquiry, it gave the mutt an opportunity to show improvements in elephant's health. However, this extension was of little use. In 2024, HPC passed an order directing the transfer of elephant to Radhe Krishna Temple Elephant Welfare Trust in Jamnagar. Vantara too swung into action, clarifying that the decision to relocate Madhuri was taken under judicial authority. Vantara came up with a proposal. Vantara has offered to set up a rescue facility in Nandani village of Kolhapur. The Animal Rescue, Conservation and Rehabilitation Center assured that it will be in consultation with the Jain mutt and will follow all the necessary guidelines while setting up the rehab center. In its proposal, the Reliance Group has also offered a list of facilities like a specialized hydrotherapy pond, a covered night shelter for rest and protection, a lush open space habitat for unrestricted movement, etc. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis met the officials from Vantara and announced that a review petition will be filed before the Supreme Court of India. Not just that, Fadnavis also said that Vantara itself will also be a party to the state government's petition.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने भी बैठक ली हुई थी और ये उसको लीगल प्रोसेस जो है उसे करने के लिए राज्य सरकार भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पार्टी बन जाएगी और लोगों के इमोशन के साथ जो जुड़ा हुआ मुद्दा है और वनतारा जो है वो भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पार्टी बनेगी तो निश्चित रूप से जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आदेश है और इसलिए लीगल प्रोसेस तो अपने को अब करनी पड़ेगी.
Will the elephant return to the mutt where it spent more than 3 decades? With the state government joining hands with the mutt, all eyes are now on top court's ruling.